So, to find the volume of a pyramid, use the formula V equals 1/3 BH. Which equation solves the formula for B? So we're trying to get B by itself. So we have V equals 1/3 BH. This was something that was hit hard in Algebra Part A. So the first thing you'd have to do is times by the reciprocal. Well, the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1, or just 3. So we're first going to times by 3. And guys, you do have to have work on this page, so make sure you do copy down the work.
What page is that?
This is page 11. Yeah, whenever I'm grading it for accuracy, if I don't see the work, I will be marking this wrong. So make sure you copy this down. So we times by 3, and you get 3V equals BH. Okay, Damien, how are we going to get this B by itself? What do we need to get rid of to get this B by itself?
3.
I'm pointing at it. What do you need? You need to get rid of the H. So what's opposite of times by H?
3V over 8.
So yeah, divide by H. So that would give you 3V over H equals capital B. So you should have gotten A. So if you got A, you're good.
Wait.
All right, so number 2, the next one. Which property of real numbers justifies going from step 3 to step 4? So step 3 to step 4. What did they do from step 3 to step 4?
They just plus 6.
There's no step 3. This is step 3
Oh.
to step 4.
They divided.
Divided. So what's the right answer?
D.
D.
Right. Yes.
That one was one of those common sense type questions.
Yes.
I'm
intelligent.
I'm the one that had that wrong the whole time. I was like, okay.
One question.
All right, so this one.
Yes.
Which property justifies the statement? Now, this one probably won't be on the SOL. This was on the 8th grade SOL. But you're times it by the reciprocal. If you all remember, reciprocal is another way of saying inverse. So this one is B. Like I said, that probably won't be on your SOL. It would have been on the one last year if you ought to take it. Any questions?
No.
Okay, so that first one was the only one you had to have work for. And then on this page, this one you have to have work for. So we're trying to get x by itself. So to get x by itself, we're first going to do the opposite of minus 5. What's opposite of minus 5? Plus 5. So give us ax equals b plus 5. And now how do we get the x by itself?
Put it over to the left.
What do we need to get rid of from the x? A. So the opposite times a is divide by a. So you should get x equals b plus 5 over a. And that one would have been b. And y'all already had a good guess that that one's going to be b because I told you to scribble out the 5 and put an a.
That's messed up.
All right, so guys, make sure you have that work copied down. If I don't see work for that problem, you won't be getting that right.
Yeah.
Jordan, where's your packet?
You know you can get an easy passing grade if you did it. This is an easy passing grade.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's going over it.
here. The airport parking lot charges $2 to enter and $3 per hour after that. Carmen has N dollars and wants to be able to determine the number of hours where she could park. What equation could Carmen use to determine the length of time she can afford to park her car in the parking lot? So the parking lot charges $2 to enter. Sure, everybody's paying that. So that'd be $2 or just 2 plus $3 per hour after that. Anybody got a guess on how we show $3 per hour?
Yeah, you measure
3 times 1.
3 times the number of hours. We don't know the number of hours, so I'm just going to put H equals the amount of money Carmen has, which is N. So that's the equation I put. If you put a different variable other than H, that's fine, but you did have to use the N because it says has N dollars. And that's the equation you used for that one. All right, anybody have questions?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll go ahead and post this one.